Edvard Munch's The Scream is one of the most iconic paintings in the world. Created in 1893, it vividly captures a moment of intense anxiety. A pale, ghost-like person stands on a bridge. Its mouth is open wide as if screaming. Its hands hold the sides of their face. The figure's face is stretched and strange, showing fear and panic. A long wooden bridge goes across the painting from left to right. It has straight lines that lead your eyes into the picture. The bridge looks old and worn. Far behind the main figure, two people walk away on the same bridge. They look calm and do not notice the screaming figure. The sky is swirling with red, orange, and yellow colors. It looks like fire or blood. This shows strong emotion and tension. Behind the bridge is a body of water with waves. The water reflects the red and orange colors of the sky, making everything feel restless and uneasy. Bright reds, oranges, and yellows in the sky mix with dark blues and blacks in the water and hills. The colors are bold and emotional. The painting shows deep fear, anxiety, and loneliness. It expresses strong feelings that many people feel inside. What do you feel when you see this painting? Write your thoughts in the comments.